Hi guys, welcome to Mixed Clips and Trips. Thank you for watching. So, back down to earth with a bump. We're in Shipley tonight and not Puerto Rico. So, I'm out with my old mate. We're going to check out the bars, get up some laughs. While I'm filming this video, I will be using the SJCAM for the entire filming. Okay? I've got until tomorrow to make my mind up whether I'm going to keep it or not or send it back. Otherwise, I'll lose my money. So, yeah, I'm going to video it using this camera. So, if you want to see it all, stay tuned. Run VT. Right, so I'm just checking this camera out while we go out for a drink around wherever. With my mate Pete. So we're going to Bingley, Shipley first. We're going to go to Beehive, have a drink in there, and then yeah, we'll see where the night takes us. Find me a taxi to Bingley. So yeah, cracking. And you can record from it as well, so you can put it over there. Oh, right. That's alright, isn't it? You can put it on your collar, or a magnet thing. Like a magnetic thing chain, you just put that to it. Yeah, I'm used to this pump before, I'm just doing it with this. It plans your battery. It plans your battery as well, so. Oh no, that's it. You're joking? So I went to pay the guy was me, were disappointed with it, and she rather not out. We asked him what doing out. Oh dear. So you're closing early. He went, no. He must have had a word with him anyway, give us knock something off the bell. Well, that used to be open, there used to be a Thai restaurant that, didn't it? Yeah. Anyway, we're going up to the Sun now. This has been recently refurbed, so it used to be a right dump. All crackheads used to go in there. That's why we're going in there, right? Yeah, we were there last night, in that place. It wasn't bad, yeah. It's sort of, there were all rail hills and stuff like that. It's all strong stuff, you know what I mean? But not too bad. Anyway, let's see what this place is like. The old Sun. Yeah. Right, let's get a taxi, Pete, and let's crack on to Bingley. Enjoy. So we're going around to Mulligan's now. Mulligan's. See what's kicking off in here. See what crackheads we've got in here, eh? Looking for other leprechauns. All good fun and shit. All good fun in there. Oh, we're in Bingley now, aren't we? Yes, thing is. Right, globetrotters, aren't we? We're in Shipley. Now we're in Bingley. We get about. Yeah, we get about us. Pub tarts. Get about. Pub tarts. Proper pub tarts. Pub tarts. Thing is, you can't see when you're freaking filming or not. We can walk down cobble steps here to bar apartment. Yeah, we'll try that. That's a nice Audi, isn't it? You've had an Audi, haven't you? Yeah. That's quite Audi, that. Right, so we've just done the Mulligan's, wasn't it? Mulligan's. Now we are going to go into this. Is it open? Peacocks. I think it's open. Looking at a band on. I'll be at the library, I'll be at the library. It's open, Pete, it's open. You want to go in? Yeah, let's crack it. Yeah, so we're still digging around with this camera at the moment. Yeah, we're having a good shot, aren't we?
I'm your camera support coordinator.
Peter's my camera support coordinator. So basically, we don't got a clue what we're doing. We're going back tomorrow morning. So yeah, thank you, camera support coordinator. You're more than welcome. Right, guys, we are now moving on to the library for some live music. Obviously, copyright strike. There's only so much you can film. We'll see you there. Johnny Big News. Come on, hey. I'm going to wait at the barber for now. Johnny, go! Johnny be good! No more. Into the old library. So the nipples have already gone? Yeah. So the nipples have already gone?
Yeah, but mine are all erect now, so
I've lost the action. I've lost the action.
Are you wanting me to get my nipples right now and do them again?
Well, yeah. Let's take a full video footage.
All right, just for you, man.
Yeah. Get your nipples in that frog. Cracky. Fuck's sake, man.
Anyway,
so now, well, what's this pub called, mate?
Yeah, that one.
So yeah, we're going to that one.
That one over at Road.
So we've been to Old Library.
Market Square.
So we're now going to Market Square now. So we've been to Old Library, we've had a good book, haven't we, Pete?
Oh yeah, banging band on there.
Yeah, banging band. So we're had a good book, and now we're going to the Market Square, have a few drinks here, well, a drink and see what we'll go from there. What time is it anyway? I've got a watch on. What time is it anyway? I've got a watch on. It's Chico time.
Oh, it's 10 to 11.
10 to 11. Oh, shit. Shall we be in bed now, Pete? And there's cocoa. And there's Horlicks.
And my slippers out.
We are getting old, you know. Anyway, cracking. Who's rounds anyway?
Yours.
Yeah! You're joking me, Peter.
Would I do that to you?
So, thank you, Rick. Where are we going from here?
Yeah, we've got old fire station where we're supposed to be able
Yeah, she's here, voice. So we'll go to the next bozo and construct all this. See where we're going. Where were Frankie a couple of weeks ago, a couple of months ago. Yeah. So anyway, guys, I'm trying this freaking camera out.
It's fucking banging shit.
Proven to be a pain in the backside. And people say, oh, there's over YouTubers. You got to be a GoPro. You got to use GoPro to use freaking. No, I use freaking what do I use?
iPhone.
I use my iPhone. I use my freaking iPhone, not his freaking GoPro shite.
That's out here.
Yeah, what do you reckon, Pete?
Oh, fucking hell, man.
Looks like a ghost town. Oh,
Going
looking
like a ghost town.
Uh,
We're at Queens.
some sort of crack den.
Yeah, go on, let's go. Okay.
We're going to try the crack den.
Can't go in there.
Yeah, it's not good, is it?
Shit, hell.
So, we're going to try. Oh,
Yeah.
you know.
I want to say Rubens, but it's not Rubens, is it?
Let's
Is it
not-
Rubens? Rubens.
I don't change the name every week, no, for tax reasons. Change the name of it every other week for tax reasons or for drug purposes. So anyway,
But don't quote me on that one.
but don't call me on that one. For legal reasons.
You got to pull that in for legal reasons.
Right, so there's no Macarena in here, so we're going up Macarena. What do you reckon, Pete, where we're going?
Not in here. Why get drugged up in here?
We've got Ruben. Yeah, we're not going to get injected.
Oh, we could go chicken there.
Yeah, we'll give it a go. Let's see what's cracking. Let's go for it. Bo, 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 bo. Right, I'm using this freaking camera. I'm a mobile phone guy, as you know. To my house, not quite there yet.
It's all unusual beers, though. Mind you, it's down there, so that.
We can go. We can give it a go. Yeah, we'll try Chippenham then. Chippenham, we'll have about half. What do you reckon?
Shall we try it?
Half a lager.
Yeah.
What time is it now? Ish, wise.
How many beer mats are you on?
No beer mats in half, mate. So we are trying. I think the camera's on you anyway. Oh, the bollocks.
You get your picture right. Am I there, yeah?
Right, we are in the Chippenham in Bingley tonight. Got a few of these. Peter's my cameraman.
Hello.
Bit dodgy. Further up, mate. That's exactly right. So we're in Chippenham now. So now we are going to go to where? What time is it? 12, 11:30.
Somewhere like that. 11:30.
So now we'll end up in some food at some stage. So yeah, so we'll see what happens. I'm still trying this camera, by the way. So it's still a challenge. It's still a challenge. So no, I'm keeping it. So tomorrow it has to go back. I need to stay. If it doesn't go back, it'll just be totally quit. So, yeah. But as we speak now, I is going back.
It's up to 8 now.
So just wait for his burger.
Did you get it when you went
And I'm just trying my camera out, basically. Just trying my camera out for the light and blah, 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 blah. So it's all boxed up, ready to send back. Too much faffing about. Got to transfer all video footage onto my phone and mess about, so it's going back. So I've just been playing with my camera on my phone and I can do 4K on it, so I'm just going to stick to the iPhone. Better filming, more natural. Happy days. Please like and subscribe, guys. And yeah, and then you'll get alerted when more content comes out. Okay, see you soon.